Welcome to BLUETTI Support. Today, we're excited to introduce the Elite 200 V2, our latest energy storage solution. Elite 200 V2. This power station is a fresh start of the Elite lineup. It features a sleek design in deep gray as its predecessors, making it a new shining star of the 2 kWh lineup. It boasts an array of output ports and has been optimized to be lighter and more compact. But what really sets it apart is its powerful performance, with 2,600 watts rated power and 3,900 watts lifting power for running resistive loads effortlessly. So you can charge more devices during camping, road trips, or home backup. Safety is another feature that comes first priority. That's why we adopt the CNS-certified automotive-grade lithium iron phosphate cells and BLUETTI AIBMS, setting new standards for safety and longevity in energy storage. While standard lithium batteries typically last around 1,000 cycles, lithium iron phosphate cells can last 2,500 to 3,500 cycles. As for the Elite 200 V2, it offers over 6,000 charge cycles, potentially giving you a lifespan of up to 17 years. Thanks to its robust lithium iron phosphate cells and advanced AIBMS, the Elite 200 V2 excels in long-lasting performance, easily handling all your power needs. By charging with Turbo Boost technology, you can charge it to 80% in just 45 minutes, or fully charge it in 2.4 hours via 1,000 watts solar charging. Even driving on the road, you can get it charged using the car charger or BLUETTI Charger One. At night, activate silent charging mode and remote control via the BLUETTI app, which supports both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. As an energy storage solution, UPS is a must. You can flexibly switch between standard, PV priority, or time control modes at your fingertips, or customize them based on your needs. As a reliable powerhouse, it seamlessly adapts to any conditions, ensuring power freedom and confidence whether you're indoors or exploring the great outdoors.